Good evening, everybody. I request the host club presidents to weigh callers. Meeting call to order. I welcome keynote speaker, district executives, chairman, and all my fellow presidents and inner members. Prayer. Pushpa Patra, please raise your hand. Pushpa Patra, please raise your hand. Pushpa Patra, can you hear me?
Ask Pushpaji, unmute yourself.
Okay. Instill in us, O Lord, the true meaning of friendship. Never let us forget that we are all thy children, notwithstanding the differences in our culture and creeds. Endow us with a desire to serve our fellow men, remembering that we too often need help. Whenever or wherever the need for service arises, help us to be ready to serve, endeavoring to make our badge of inner will worthwhile, ensuring that we have not lived in vain.
Thank you, Pushpa Patra. I request media partner Abhishek to play the video of lighting of the lamp with invocations. Thank you, Abhishek. I request the media partner Abhishek to put on the opening song.
किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे कोई
Thank you, Abhishek. I request President Rashmita Maharana to welcome the August gathering in district webinar in Inayat. President Rashmita Maharana, please raise your hand.
Good evening to all of you and warm Innerville greetings. We all the 4 Innerville clubs of Cuttack welcome you to Inayat webinar on this year. International Innerville theme, Lead the Change and Social Distancing. Our topic is social distancing may cause social changes, but we need to lead the change. I welcome District Chairman, Innerville District 3 to 6, respected Mrs. Ina Purohit. I welcome today's keynote speaker, past Association President, respected Mrs. Prabha Raghunandan to these August gatherings. I also welcome District Vice Chairman, Mrs. Manisha Srivastava, Association Council Member, Mrs. Jagruti Doshi, District Secretary, Mrs. Rasika Bahadur, District Treasurer, Mrs. Sandhyarani Mishra, District ESO, T. Chiranjeevi, District ISO, Mrs. Madhusmita Tripathi, District Editor, Mrs. Anjana Bhamra. I welcome past Association Secretary, Krishna Mahanti. I also heartily welcome all the past District Chairmen present here. I also welcome all the zonal coordinators, District 3 to 6, present here. I am happy to welcome all the presidents, secretaries, and all the members of District 3 to 6. I welcome you all. Thank you.
Thank you, President Rashmita Maharana of Innerville Club of Silver City. I request Abhishek to play the video to welcome our delegates. Thank you, Abhishek. Now I request President Laura Mitra Ratha to speak some few lines on the purpose of webinar Inayat.
Thank you, President. Inawal Namaskar. District webinar Inayat. Inayat is an Urdu word and it means giving, what we Innerville members always believe in, and that too with no expectations of any gain. Members always believe in, and that too with no expectation of any gain. Giving is an emotion through which we relate with a lot of downtrodden people in society. May it be elders or children, we Innerville members spread smiles by giving. Any great happenings of present becomes history in future. Maybe war, pandemic like flu, COVID-19, nuclear explosions. It brings change in socio-economic conditions of the people. We the leaders have to play a great role in the present scenario. So we have to lead and focus to understand the cause of the change. Then we can adopt different technology to achieve our goal. Through this district webinar Inayat, which means giving, a new vision to work upon. We would work on all verticals to adapt the change through the district webinar. We need to think and create a helpline number. In this lockdown and shutdown conditions, when the elderly, lonely persons are stressed and feeling helpless, some old disabled are on the street. This helpline number will facilitate the needs of such people. Through this, we can listen and communicate with them and console them with useful mantras of life. We have gathered here virtually to share our thoughts and gain knowledge from our IWC leaders and stalwarts. If we change our thoughts, we have the power to change the world. Thank you.
Thank you, President Laura Mitra Ratha, Innerville Club of Cuttack. Now I request past President Rupamanjari Patnaik to do the introductions of District Chairman Ina Purohit, video of theme Lead the Change. Past President Rupamanjari Patnaik, please raise your hand.
Ma'am, please unmute yourself.
Past President Rupamanjari Patnaik.
Hello, am I audible? Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Yes,
you're audible.
Okay. Namaskar and Innerville greetings to all here. I'm privileged to introduce Ina Purohit, our dear district chairman, who doesn't need any introduction, but the customary has to go on. Ina Purohit, she is the apple of our club, apple in the eyes of our club, Silver City, being one and only member who touched the district level and now on the top post of the district as district chairman. Just we have collected few lines from a vast biodata. Here it goes like this. Ina, as the name stands, I for innovative, N for nurture, and A for adapt. She is born in an affluent family of late engineer Nilakantha Satpathy, engineer of Government of Odisha, and Mrs. Sarlabala Satpathy. She is daughter-in-law of late Sri Chandrasekhar Purohit, an illustrious retired administrative officer, and Srimati Chitralekha Purohit. Her life partner, Rotarian PHF engineer Bignaraj Purohit, who is ever supportive, radiant, and kind-hearted. Blessed with a son, Asutosh Purohit, who is presently a biomedical engineer in Amgen, California. Ina has done her graduation in economics and even a graduate in law from MS Law College. She is a graduate in fashion designing and a graduate in Odissi Vocal. She is a C certificate holder in NCC and has won gold medals in signals. She is a member of Jeevan Rekha Theatre Group and a comparer in All India Radio. She is a leading financial consultant in HDFC Life and an achiever of MDRT for 6 times. She is always keen on helping the downtrodden of the society in skill development and helping the needy for a higher technical study, which attracted her to join Innovil. Her thrust area has always been on environment, special able children, and branding Innovil. Some of her works are fundraising, PGM Multi, the Freedom By, and Mukti, the Freedom By, and for the special able children. Multi-district rally cum seminar on Go Green, the paradise regained through friendship with nature. Go Green rally and Park of the Special Able Children, Save the Sparrow movement, rainwater harvesting project, girls toilet construction, wheelchair donations, clean Cuttack movement are his favorites. For branding of Innovil, every year she comes up with some new ideas with various items related to her post. Ina has successfully handled almost all the posts she held at club level with dedication, sincerity, and commitment, for which she has been recognized and acknowledged by the district always. During her tenure as treasurer, district got its PAN card. She is very popular among members and loves to spread happiness wherever she goes with her ever-beaming smile on her face. She is focused, target-oriented, well-organized, and versatile. The only secret of her success is her perseverance and firm faith in God. Her tagline is, "If we can dream, we can do it." She works upon the success mantra of 5 P's: perfect, planning, prevents, poor, and performances. So here I present Ina Purohit, our dear district chairman. Thank you.
Thank you, past president for commentary from Silver City. Now I request Abhishek to display the IIW of this year.
Ma'am, please upon on.
Thank you, Abhishek.
I acknowledge the presence of our past district chairman. This is past district chairman Jayashree Bhattacharya, past district chairman Pushpalata Mahanti ji, past district chairman Mrs. Nalini Mahapatra ji, past district chairman Mrs. Anju Joban Putra ji, past district chairman Raj Rupra ji, past district chairman Shinu Patnaik ji, past district chairman Mamta Purohit ji, past district chairman Manjushri Panigrahi ji, past district chairman Vijay Lakshmi Mahavar ji, past district chairman Priya Ambrose ji, past district chairman Mrs. Krishna Mahajanam ji, past district chairman Sangamita Sahu ji. I acknowledge for the presence and active participation in this webinar, District Inayat. Thank you so much.
I request media partner to play the video on the international Innerville theme, Lead the Change, made by all the host club's presidents. Thank you, Abhishek.
I acknowledge the presence of past District Chairman Mrs. Dipti Mahanti, past District Chairman Mrs. Anita Pati for the participation in this webinar. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I request District Chairman Ina Purohit to speak on the International Innerville theme, Lead the Change.
Mute. You're muted.
Host Club Presidents Laura Mitra, Suvarna ji, Anuradha, Rasmita ji, Past Association President Prabha Raghunandan ji, District Vice Chairman Manisha Srivastav ji, Association Council Member Jagrati Dosi ji, District Secretary Rasika Bahadur ji, District Treasurer Sandhya Rani Mishra ji, District ESO T Chiranjeevi, District ISO Madhusmita Tripathi, District Editor Anjana Bhamra, Past Association Secretary Krishna Mahanti ji, Past District Chairman Sangamitra Sahu ji, Past District Chairman Puspalata Mahanti ji, Past District Chairman Vijayalakshmi Mahavar ji, Past District Chairman Anita Pati ji, Past Association Secretary Srinu Patnaik ji, Past Association Treasurer Ranju Juganputra ji, Past District Chairman Jayasri Bhattacharya ji, Past District Chairman Madhumita Mahanti ji, Past District Chairman Webmaster PDC Raj Rupra ji, District CCCC, Past District Chairman Mamta Purohit ji, Past District Chairman Dipti Mahanti ji, all the presidents from other clubs and host club members and all the Innerville members from other clubs of the district, Innerville Namaskar to all of you. First of all, thank you very much Past President Rupamanjari Patnaik ji for the brief biodata of mine. Friends, this year the IIW theme which is given to us by our IIW President Dr. Beena West is Lead the Change. This theme is so appropriate to the current situation. It seems that it can be kept as a motto for all the leaders to lead to the current situation. Whenever we want to see any change, we must always lead from the front. This year, our IIW President has given some wonderful directives to walk upon. In her words, we need to implement the recommendations of the UN to bring about changes in our community development programs. Friends, the secret of change is to focus all of your energy not on fighting the old, but on building the new. Change is painful, but nothing as painful as being stuck somewhere you don't belong to. Don't be afraid of change. It's leading you to a new beginning. Just face it. 3 simples which rule in life. If you do not go after what you want, you will never have it. If you do not ask, the answer will always be no. If you do not step forward, you will always be in the same place. Progress is impossible without change, and those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything. Do not be afraid of change, my dear friends. In the process of leading the change, you may end up losing something good, but you'll probably end up gaining something better. You really can change the world if you care enough. The wonderful platform of Innerville, which we have joined, definitely we can lead the change. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. जो मैं हमेशा आप लोगों से बोलती हूँ कि आप जो भी काम कर रहे हो उसको एंजॉय कीजिए. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking. Do not settle down. Do not stop. आप कभी भी फ्यूचर में झांककर डॉट्स को कनेक्ट नहीं कर सकते. आप सिर्फ पास्ट देखकर ही डॉट्स कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. इसीलिए आपको यकीन करना होगा कि अभी जो हो रहा है वो आगे चलकर किसी ना किसी तरह आपके फ्यूचर से कनेक्ट हो जाएगा. आपको किसी ना किसी चीज पे विश्वास करना ही होगा. अपने गट्स में, अपने डेस्टिनी में, अपनी जिंदगी या फिर अपनी कर्म में किसी ना किसी चीज में विश्वास करना ही होगा, क्योंकि इस बात में बिलीव करना कि आगे चलकर डॉट्स कनेक्ट होंगे आपको अपने दिल की आवाज सुनने की हिम्मत देगा. तब भी जब आप बिल्कुल अलग रास्ते पर चल रहे होंगे, एंड दैट विल मेक द डिफरेंस माय डियर फ्रेंड्स एंड पेव द वे टू लीड द चेंज. चेंज पुरानी को हटाकर नई का रास्ता खुलती है. और इस समय आप नए हैं, पर आपका समय सीमित है फ्रेंड्स, इसीलिए इसे व्यर्थ ना जाने दें। Make proper utilization of it. You have got only 365 days with you, जिसमें से 7 days have already gone, 9 days have already gone. So make proper utilization of each and every day and try your level best to bring, to lead lead your club and lead the change from the front. इसके साथ और एक बात भी बोलना चाहूंगी दोस्तों, जैसे हर तरफ कोविड की सिचुएशन बढ़ रही है, अभी पीक की सिचुएशन में है, मैं हमेशा आप लोगों को बोलती हूँ, अभी भी बोलती हूँ, आप लोग घर से बाहर मत निकलिए। जो गाइडलाइंस हम लोग ने दिया है वो घर बैठ के भी आप लोग कर सकते हैं, जो कि आप लोग कर रहे हैं। टेक केयर, स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ एंड लीड द चेंज। थैंक यू।
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Past President Savita Kandai to give the introduction of keynote speaker, Past Association President Prabha Raghunandan ji. Past President Savita Kandai, please raise your hand.
Savita ma'am, please raise your hand.
Savita ma'am, please raise your hand. Savita ma'am.
हाँ देख ली। अच्छा देख ली। हाँ देख ली।
Savita ma'am.
She is not by name, she is by Galaxy A50. The lady who's raising a hand is Galaxy A50.
Yeah.
She's not by name.
Yeah, now she's seen. A50. Unmute yourself, please.
Ma'am, please unmute yourself.
Yes, thank you. Now I am audible?
Yes.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, President Anuradha Naik. A very good evening to all. I am privileged to introduce our past association president, Mrs. Prabha Raghunandan. Mrs. Prabha Raghunandan, the 41st president of the Association of Innerville Clubs in India, joined Innerville as charter member in Innerville Club of Girid, District 3 to 5 in 1989. She was district chairman in the year 2000 and 2001. She is the first Innerville member from District 3 to 5 to adorn the post of Association President and National Representative. She has been convener for many district events, including ICI 2018, an alumni of Sacred Heart, Jamshedpur. She is a postgraduate in economics with a degree in education with diplomas in personal management and interior decoration. Praram, her institute for incoming chairman, held in April 2016. Chairman from 5 overseas countries, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal and Malaysia, along with 27 from India, participated in this. The zonal training program, Protsahan, for incoming district executive committee members, conceptualized by her in 2016. Prem Pratik Friendship Meet hosted in Puri in her tenure. At IIW President, all MSC was held was a meet with difference, having interesting sessions of fun and knowledge. Prabha is an eloquent speaker and trainer at various national events. Her commitments has given her opportunities to be a speaker at various events. She hosted the chat show Where There Is a Will, There Is a Way at the 4th South Asia Rally held in April 2017 at Kuala Lumpur. She was a speaker at Footprints 2017, conceptualized and anchored a session at Sunamanjari 2017. She was a speaker at Rotary Summit in 2017, a speaker at the symposium at the convention in Melbourne in 2018 on the topic Nature. Her motivation and leadership made Innerville India work to unprecedented levels during International Innerville Week in 2016 and 17, motivating members to concentrate and working to create happier futures, better lives. Prabha initiated for the first time ever a women's car drive traversing 6,000 kilometers through 11 Innerville districts and many states in India to create an awareness and education and empowerment of women. The teach session in 2016 and 17 with Prabha Raghunandan as association president, more than 500 literacy centers and about 900 happy schools were made. Campaign constructed by RLM was successfully executed with her motivation and guidance. Prabha enjoys reading, gardening, music, and cooking. She has been writing poetry too and hopes to compile a book. She co-authored a cookery book for fundraising. Recently, she compiled and edited her club's history book on completion of 30 years in a comfortable book format. She got a commemorative stamp designed and released from the Indian Postal Department. Accolades and awards she has received in plenty, noteworthy from being she was made a Paul Harris Fellow, a recognition bestowed by Rotary District 1060 for her service to society. She was awarded for Best Woman in Social Service in her town, a government recognition for International Women's Day 2011. Her friendly nature, playful enthusiasm, underlying patience, and deep sense of responsibility is often admired by others. One of her key skills lies in being able to judge the emotional sensitivities of individuals and harness that energy to derive the best out of them. She strongly believes where there is a will, there is a way. With this, I present before you our 41st Association President of Innerville Clubs of India, Mrs. Prabha Raghunandan. Thank you.
Ma'am, please unmute yourself.
Thank you, past President Savita Kandai from Innerville Club of Central.
Now I acknowledge the presence of Mrs. Past Deputy Chairman, Mrs. Pratibha Patnaik, for their presence and active participation in this district webinar in Inayat. Thank you so much, Pratibha Patnaik.
Now I request Club Secretary of Innerville Club of Cuttack Midtown, Rinki Agarwal, to show the talent hunt of the ISOs of District 3 to 6 participants. Rinki Agarwal, yes. Continue.
Thank you, President Anuradha. A warm good evening to all dignitaries and Innerville sisters present here. I'm honored to share a space in this Inayat. I, with the permission of District ISO, Madhusmita Tripathi, would now put up the video of our talented ISOs of District 326. We acknowledge the participation of all the exuberant ISOs of District 326. They are the ambassador of friendship. This is just the introduction of our district club ambassadors, whose friendly link creates an opportunity to build understanding among the members of Innerville throughout the world and get to know one another for the ultimate realization of Innerville objectives and goals. Before requesting Abhishek, our media partner, to please play the video of our vibrant ISOs, I would like to thank Secretary of Innerville of Cuttack Central for compiling this video, Madhulita Das, so beautifully. So I request Abhishek to please play the video. Thank you.
Ma'am, please unmute yourself.
आप सबको मेरा नमस्कार। थैंक यू प्रेसिडेंट। चारी प्रेसिडेंट को, चारी क्लब के प्रेसिडेंट को मेरा नमस्कार। और हमारा जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट चेयरमैन को भी नमस्ते। आपने हमें सभी आईएसओ को इतना अच्छा मौका दिया कि लीड द चेंज ऊपर लिखने के लिए। सभी आईएसओ की मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। उन्होंने इतनी अच्छी तरह से लिखकर उसका प्रेजेंट किया है। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much. Thank you, Agarwal. Now hold your breath. Now here comes our vibrant past association president, Prabha Raghunandan ji. I welcome Prabha Raghunandan ji.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Host club presidents, Laura Mitra, Subarna, Anuradha, Rashmita, District Chairman Ina, District EC members, Pearls, Diamonds, Corals, PDCs of District 3 to 6, among them my dear batchmate Priya, who's put a special message for me on chat. Fellow Inner Wheel members, Namaskar.
Namaskar.
At the outset, let me congratulate Jagrati for a fabulous year showing together we can. Congratulations, Krishna, for doing a very formidable task as Association Secretary, meticulously and responsibly creating goodwill all around. And dear Ina, I have been seeing you since your club president days. Born on my birthday, I see the same enthusiasm and desire to learn in you. Wishing you a fantastic year as you lead the change on the path of friendship and service. Thank you, Sabita ji, for that kind introduction. Unusual times, Unusual times giving rise to unusual opportunities. We are meeting on an app which most of us didn't know existed 6 months back. Thank you for your kind invitation, Ina, today. I must say, फूल बनकर मुस्कुराना जिंदगी है, फूल बनकर मुस्कुराना जिंदगी है, मुस्कुरा के गम भुला देना जिंदगी है, मिलकर लोग खुश होते हैं तो क्या हुआ, बिना मिले दोस्ती निभाना जिंदगी है, बिना मिले दोस्ती निभाना जिंदगी है, जो आज हम Zoom ऐप के द्वारा कर रहे हैं. Excellent videos. I have no words to appreciate each and every video that has been put up. Lead the Change by the Kathak clubs. Brilliant, brilliant, fantastic. And if I was catching my breath on that, then came this presentation by the ISOs. What a wonderful presentation. Ina said, already 9 days are over. Well, in 9 days, if this is what you can show, well, the world is at your feet now. And there's so much more you will be doing right through the year. Inayat, meaning attention. Let me draw your attention. सिर्फ हंगामा खड़ा करना मकसद नहीं, सिर्फ हंगामा खड़ा करना मेरा मकसद नहीं, मेरी कोशिश है कि ये सूरत बदलनी चाहिए, मेरी कोशिश है कि ये सूरत बदलनी चाहिए, मेरे सीने में नहीं तो तेरे सीने में सही, हो कहीं भी आग, आग लगनी चाहिए, काट लेना हर कठिन मंजिल को, कोई मुश्किल काम नहीं, काट लेना हर कठिन मंजिल को कोई मुश्किल काम नहीं, बस इंसान में चलने की हिम्मत होनी चाहिए. COVID-19 has affected every part of the world, around the globe, from individual relationships to institutional operations to international collaborations. As societies try to defend themselves through severe restrictions on people's movements and interactions, the disease continues to decimate families, upend governments, crush economies, and tear through the social sector. COVID-19 has been characterized as a pandemic by the World Health Organization. It is unlike any other global health crisis because in the 75 history of the United Nations, because it is killing people, spreading human suffering, and changing people's lives. But this is more than a health crisis. It is a human, economic, and social crisis. When I speak of social distancing, I will mean the whole process of the lockdown, staying home, wearing masks, not congregating, and the whole gamut of issues that have come up because of this. Social distancing. There is some background noise. Can we have everyone muted, please? Infection.
Please unmute now.
Yeah. इन्फेक्शन से बचने के लिए सामाजिक भेद यानी सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग और बाहर निकलने से रोकना मुख्य उद्देश्य है. पूरे देश को बंद करना पड़ा और सभी गतिविधियों को कम से कम मानवीय संपर्क से रोकना पड़ा. इसलिए अनिवार्य रूप से देश को लॉकडाउन के तहत लाया जाना था. ट्रेन सेवाएं तक रोक दी गई, जो युद्ध काल में भी नहीं हुई थी. दुनिया के नागरिक के रूप में हम में से अधिकांश के लिए जीवन स्मृति में ये सबसे लंबा, सबसे अधिक परेशानी वाला 3 महीना रहा है. हम सभी ने अपने जीवन में व्यक्तिगत चुनौतियों का सामना किया है, इसमें कोई संदेह नहीं है, लेकिन ये पूरी तरह से अलग है. जनता इस तालाबंदी के दौरान सरकार के साथ खड़ी हुई है और पूरे देश उत्कृष्ट प्रतिक्रिया है. फिर भी कुछ अपवाद हैं जो एक चुनौती है. जबकि लगभग 90% नागरिक नियम पालन कर रहे हैं या 80% नागरिक नियम पालन कर रहे हैं, बाकी इस महामारी को रोकने के प्रयासों और उपायों के लिए खतरा पैदा कर रहे हैं और पूरी प्रणाली के पतन के लिए जिम्मेदार है। Environmental climate change we are all familiar with, but now societal climate change has happened. How? Why? Cases of hostility in housing societies regarding residents having recent travel histories from countries. Such residents responded adversely when requested by neighbors to get themselves tested or self-isolated. Instead, they misunderstood, misbehaved, and acted aggressively with their neighbors. And such cases were observed in affluent, upper middle class societies. Why were the residents asking travelers to isolate? Because of fear of being infected. Were they wrong? No. Sensible people did it themselves. Our friends who returned from Saudi Arabia went into isolation for 21 days. There was no one to assist them, even to get groceries. They had to ask the household help to drop it outside the door. They were sensible, understanding citizens. On the other hand, some citizens have not disclosed travel history even to the government, owing to the fear not of corona or being thrown out of their homes by their neighbors. डर से उत्पन्न विरोध की भावना उन लोगों के खिलाफ भी जिन्हें हम कोरोना वॉरियर्स कहते हैं, डॉक्टर्स, नर्सेस, हेल्थ प्रोफेशनल्स, पुलिस, ऐसे अन्य लोग जो हाउसिंग सोसाइटीज या पड़ोस में रहते हैं, उनके प्रति सम्मान और कृतज्ञता दिखाने के बजाय उनके और उनके परिवारों को संदेह की निगाह से देखा जा रहा था और समाज के सदस्यों द्वारा उनके मन में इस भय के मद्देनजर रखते हुए समर्थन नहीं मिल रहा था. The world saw the burgeoning Indian middle class as an ever-growing market, and we believed it was good to grow in the middle. It meant more and more people from the bottom were climbing up the ladder to settle somewhere in the middle. COVID-19 doesn't distinguish between classes, but the aftermath will distinguish itself by hurting this mass in the middle. The middle class may shrink as the world battles the biggest health scare in a century. The tax-paying, quick-footed, clever, and sometimes crooked middle class kept the giant machine of the economy moving, while the rich pump in money and the poor the muscle. The middle never identified with the poor because it wore its education on its sleeve. It aspired to be identified with the rich, but it could not afford the cars. The middle class is the consumer of all human industry. Amid news of pay cuts and job losses, they see a possible slide out of the bracket down with the trodden. It takes just a year's adversity to undo years of a good run. The lower masses have no jobs in a lockdown. The upper classes have no existential worries. It is the middle that has begun losing jobs and gaining worries. That is how the dominoes fall. इसी तरह पासे गिरते हैं. Moreover, it has caused the small proprietor businesses, travel, tourism, and other service sectors to lose and lose badly. Incomes fall or cease, and for them, social distancing is a worry. एक उदाहरण लेते हैं. एक रेडीमेड शॉप दुकानदार है छोटे शहर में. वो क्या कहता है? उसको लगता है ये सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग के कारण उसे बहुत चुनौतियों का सामना करना पड़ेगा. एज अ शॉपकीपर उसने तो प्लानिंग कर दी कि मैं अपने कस्टमर्स को कहूंगा अपने चप्पल जूते बाहर रखो, उनको सैनिटाइज करने बोलूंगा, बिना मास्क के उनको अंदर आने नहीं दूंगा. यदि वो पान मसाला, टोबैको, खैनी कुछ खाते हैं, मैं उन्हें आने नहीं दूंगा. मैं उन्हें गारमेंट्स बहुत ज्यादा छूने नहीं दूंगा. ट्रायल अलाउ नहीं करूंगा, एक्सचेंज अलाउ नहीं करूंगा. क्या उसे लगता है कि ये सब कर सकेगा? क्या कस्टमर्स ये सब पॉलिसी उसके मानेंगे? बिल्कुल नहीं. उसका कहना है कि छोटे शहर के कस्टमर्स फैमिली मेंटेनेंस जैसे हैं. दे आर फ्रेंड्स. दे कम देयर थिंकिंग ये मेरा अपना दुकान है, और इतना नियम कानून का पालन वो कभी नहीं करेंगे. उनका ईगो उनके सामने आ जाएगा और क्योंकि ये बड़े शहर नहीं है जहां लोग गुजरते हुए भी शॉप्स के अंदर मॉल में जाते हैं। यहाँ तो रिटर्न कि उसका सेल्स ड्रॉप होगा, लेकिन कहता है कि 30% तक सेल्स ड्रॉप होगा। क्या आप इमेजिन कर सकते हैं कि सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का कितना नुकसान भुगतना पड़ेगा? बट एज ही सेज, वी हैव टू प्ले सेफ टू बी सेफ। Social distancing, sitting in one's home also causes jealousy and disharmony. Panic buying caused by fear and selfishness has been observed. Social media posts in WhatsApp groups, Instagram, Facebook of trying new recipes, showing off culinary skills causes disturbances in other families. If some are trying to save money through budgeted eating, and the children see their Facebook friends showing off abundance of fancy foods, cakes and cookies, they ask questions and argue. This type of showing off at the time of a worldwide pandemic crisis is unacceptable. Social media is saturated with pictures and videos of celebs grooming themselves. It's fine if you're posting about a social cause or awareness, but some people have gone to another level. कभी-कभी लगता है इन लोगों की मानसिक संतुलन खो बैठे हैं। क्या बहुत ही निंदनीय, शर्मनाक पोस्ट हमें दिखने मिलता है और हमें यही सोचना पड़ता है, काश ये लोग कुछ शांत हो जाएं और जरा सा विवेक दिखाएं। Analyzing the scenario in a lower class or slum area, a similar mentality of fear and aggression is seen. But the problem is different. When free distribution of food is happening to an essential items, people are fighting with each other to get there first. And they fight even with the NGOs and social organizations when they say, observe social distancing. Hunger overcomes other issues. Labor was not being given money by the factory and trade owners, deliberately or because of their own financial crisis. These people had left their homes, not because they needed food, but because they wanted to give their family a better quality of life. Such a situation poses a serious threat to the survival of daily wage workers, roadside vendors, because they have no cash in hand. The landlords, knowing they won't have money soon, told them to leave their houses. This is why labor had to leave. The big migrant labor moving out, cause of armchair, TV, social media debate by people who don't know anything. How could these people ever observe social distancing? मैं झारखंड के एक छोटे से शहर में रहती हूँ और मैं फर्स्ट हैंड ऐसे लोगों के बारे सुनती हूँ, जानती हूँ जो लोग बाहर काम करते हैं। इन लोगों का क्या हालत था? The plight of the men who had to go through deplorable, humiliating, unbelievable hardships just to reach home. 2 men walked from industries in Tamil Nadu to a village in Jharkhand over 21 days. They had 2,000 rupees in their pocket. वो जानते थे वहां वो जिंदा नहीं रह सकेंगे, सरवाइव नहीं रह सकेंगे। वो चाहते थे कि घर आ जाएं, किसी तरह घर आ जाएं। My husband helped rescue groups of labor of Odisha stranded in Tirupur and Coimbatore. Factory owners and management forcefully keeping them locked in. He had to use the assistance of labor union colleagues to get them out. Are human beings human? This question has been resonating in my mind in the last few months. The Rotary Club my husband belongs to, Rotary Club of Giridih Greater, has been providing food, rations or cooked food for 3 months now. When they were giving food to migrant labor crossing our town, they often heard how they had been journeying for 4-5 days, thousands of kilometers by train from southern India, surviving on biscuits and water. The simple cooked meal of khichdi brought them to tears. They were overwhelmed. And this was not a single case. It was heard repeatedly. when the socio-economic system is weakened, a large number of people losing their livelihood, their weakened physical condition increases their susceptibility to disease. This is a very crucial period. This is the period where everyone needs to act socially more responsible. Elected governments need to address the threat with proper, sufficient and timely measures. And all the humanitarian resources, all the civil society, all the organizations need to contribute in cash and kind, not for name, not donations with artificial checks and Insta pics, but for real. Rehabilitation of migrant labor is the need now. They will go back, but not in a hurry. It will take some time. Let's talk about the social changes that the pandemic has brought in a youngster's life. A +2 student says, COVID-19 brought with it a change so draconian that it rattled us completely. Gone are the days we interact with our friends in the classroom or play in the streets with our friends. It has even now changed the way we will talk to them in the classroom months later. From being told, get up from the computer and leave your cell behind, we are spending hours and hours on online classes. Turns out, quarantine, lockdown wasn't just about Netflix and Amazon Prime. Slowly, we have started to learn to take care more of our health and hygiene. Washing and sanitizing our hands. We have become birds trapped in golden cage. Our minds craving freedom. With families stuck at home and not knowing what to do, family life has changed. Changes occurred within, which will be the social change too. The children have no school, no games. Will do what? The families now plan the day. Manage time to do schoolwork through online classes. Professional work online. Life skills have been revisited. Children are learning to do laundry, learning about medicines, getting important contact names and numbers, learning to operate basic tools, sewing buttons, darning a tear, reading for fun. Cooking is another skill that many have started to learn or have been compelled to in the absence of domestic help. Though living away from home for past 10 years, they had never cooked. They relied on maids and ordered online. Now, they video call home, watch YouTube videos and make dishes. It may sound commonplace, but for me, to be able to cook is a high point of the day, says a young professional. Money management, banking, insurance are being discussed with more seriousness than ever before. Society has changed, for life has changed. Social distancing is not an individual protection. It's about trying to reduce the overall size of the threat. If a young, healthy person gets the virus is more likely to be passed on to the elderly people and the immune-compromised people. The facts are right there. Going to a party right now is truly a terrible idea. But what would you say to a friend who went to a party on Saturday night and posted pictures on Instagram? Probably nothing. But you know what? I think that is where we need to lead the change and say, no, you are doing wrong. These kinds of conversations are very uncomfortable. When you call someone out for their lack of social distancing, you are judging their ability to judge the situation. Let me read a part of a poem I wrote last month, Unmasked. Unlock 1, it's being called. Unlock 1. It's becoming the norm to have numericals with names. Fashionable, perhaps? I ventured out after 80 odd days. The sight bewildered me, hit me hard, made me want to run home and hide. Chaotic traffic was back. People were freely gossiping at road ends. Latest COVID figures, not cricket scores, mind you. Every day, TV news rattling figures. Every day, like polling analysis, graphs and curves. Every day hearing of friend dying. Every day patients increasing in the town. Every day essays, articles, stories, webinars. Every phone call, listen to message on protection. Every WhatsApp group has endless safety messages. Every day, only COVID related, mind boggled. Every day, anguish, inspiration, worries, comforts. The people on the road wore masks. Cyclist, motorcyclist, hawker, customer. Unmasked were the literate, uneducated. At the social gathering, I think, local divas. I'm building my immunity. I am safe. Faces unmasked? No. Intellect unmasked. Irresponsibility unmasked. Ignorance unmasked. Arrogance unmasked. Nothing will happen to me. Unlock the intelligence. I pray to God. Unlock their sense of responsibility. Unlock sensibility, understanding, reasoning. We should be worried and we should take it seriously, a specialist said. And he said, more honesty and information is a good thing. Social pressure will change behavior. But you know what? I have seen instances where social pressure made a friend remove her mask. Friends, this is where we have to lead the change. Be bold, be frank, say it. No mask, no going out, no meeting. बहुत मुश्किल है किसी को कहना कि शादी को कैंसिल कर दो, पर मैं उसको बहुत अच्छी तरह जानती थी, उसके बेटे की शादी थी. मैंने बहुत कोशिश की उसको कहने कि डेट चेंज कर देना, अभी मत करना, बाद में करना. जो वेंडर्स है वो जरूर उसको मानेंगे. मैं बोलना चाहती थी कि यदि लोग नहीं आए तो बुरा मत मानना, उनके बारे गलत नहीं सोचना, उनको ये मौका देना कि वो नहीं आए. I wanted to tell my friend all this. I didn't. And yes, this is an ongoing story of several strained relationships. An expert on epidemiology says, if it is an indoor event, no public authority thinks it's a good idea. आप सोच के देखिए एज एन इनर व्हील मेंबर, यदि आप अपने फ्रेंड के घर जा रहे हैं और आप सोचते हैं 3-4 लोग रहेंगे और वहां 20-25 लोग हैं, डिस्टेंसिंग इम्पॉसिबल है, सारे गाइडलाइंस उड़ गए हैं. इसके साथ साथ आप कार में एक साथ आ रहे हैं, इतने नजदीकी से आ रहे हैं. It is very confusing when we are seeing deaths. We are seeing more and more deaths every day, or people are acting like the pandemic is over. We need to say to them, I don't feel safe in this situation. I am going now. We need to be that friend who backs out and explains why. In this situation, we are probably saving lives. हमें ये बोलना होगा, ये confusion को बंद करना होगा. जब हम मृत्यु देख रहे हैं, हमें वो मित्र बनना होगा जो एक बोल्ड डिसीजन लेता है, जो लीड द चेंज करता है. Staying home, limiting close-up interactions is the right time to do. It doesn't mean that everybody is doing it and people are becoming defensive. People have been losing friends. It's not about who is getting COVID-19. It is about our parents, our grandparents, and all of us who are about 50, 60 years old. A breakdown in values is a breakdown in life. Building character, moral ethics is the legacy we need to leave. It is about doing right. Simply following rules may not make us good people, but violating rules endangers the lives of others. I read this a few days back. We see people who are fed up of the lockdown and telling themselves, nothing is going to happen to me. This is optimism bias at its work. Optimism bias is the belief that each of us will more likely experience good outcomes than bad outcomes. The key to this is that we regard the reality of an overall situation. Just like every smoker thinks that I will not get cancer, it is happening to someone else. It is a psychological trap. Remember a quote from Joseph Stalin. It is that if 10,000 people die, it doesn't affect us. But if the one person dies whose name we know, whose story we know, we are heartbroken. वो एक मृत्यु हमें भयानक लगता है, बाकी हजारों मृत्यु एक नंबर है। ये एक मनोवैज्ञानिक जाल है। जमीनी स्तर पे ये सच्चाई है कि सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग अभी आवश्यक है। इट इज नेसेसरी। सतर्क रहिए और सतर्क रहिए, क्योंकि आपातकालीन स्थिति अभी भी है। इट इज एन इमरजेंसी। Social isolation is one of the few weapons we have about this thing. You know what? It's not about a difference in opinion. When a hurricane is bearing down about you, it cannot be your opinion that everything will be fine. You have to move out. Today we have a generation of persons who prefer compromise. They don't want to take a stand for being feared, for being disliked. They do not want to be called a troublemaker. Teachers do not discipline for wrongdoing. Are we instilling the correct things? Indifference is inhuman. Go back in history and see. No change ever took place until someone got angry. Go back in history and see. There is no change unless someone leads the change. It is wrong. Today what is happening is wrong. If we as social workers, leaders of society, as Innovil members, if we do not practice what we preach, what kind of a leader are we? Is distributing masks more important, or wearing masks where necessary more important? Is posting placards with relevant message important, or following them as a new lifestyle? Well-directed individual efforts can create a movement to improve society. When thousands of selfless citizens join in, the society becomes vibrant and changes occur. I will end with a poem I wrote on July 1st with a theme in mind. Lead the change. Lead the change, for women are the change makers, aren't we? Leaders we are naturally. Clarity of thought, dedicated, able to take charge, responsibility with ease, multitasking joyfully. One educated woman leads the change, educates the family, the society, the village, the town. Lead the change to empower women. Strength of body, mind, money, technology will help lead the change. For her to establish self-respect, identity. Able to look in the eye and say no. Lead the change to make this change. Women are the gender of the same species. Why the discrimination, the atrocities? Not pity, but respect. Not sympathy, but equality. Come, lead the change. 2020, a year of adversity, fear, confusion. Lead the change to make the world safer. Social distancing is the need. Practice before preaching. Will you lead the change for the new normal? Distancing makes understanding stronger. More hands, more feet, more brains, more money, more funds to give, to create, to build, to support, to educate a vision worldwide. Lead the change to bring in more. Induct, involve, improve Innovil. Induct, involve, improve Innovil. Lead the change to bring in more. Lead the change to bring in more. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukhita bhave. Dhanyavad, thank you, namaskar.
Thank you, madam. It was really enlightening speech.
I want to say something. Excellent speech and excellent poem, Prabhaji. As usual, we always eagerly wait to hear from you. And thank you very much for showing us the path on how to lead the change as an Innovil member. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Really, reality of today. Thank you. It was the need of this art. Inspiring as always, but yes, social distancing is must. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. I request past Association Secretary, Mrs. Krishna Mahanti, to to give observation views on today's webinar, Inayat.
Thank you very much, District Chairman Ina, and the guest of the keynote speaker of the day, past Association President Prabhaji, the host clubs and all the past district chairmen, all the members of Innerville who are attending the webinar today on the IAW theme, the international theme of the year, Lead the Change, and also the importance of social distancing. Very, very inspiring speeches by each and every one. I would like to start with the very concept of doing something together in this particular situation which calls for a change in our attitude, in our approach. So we have already started that by leading the change, organizing seminars and spreading awareness. I would say that first. And excellently prepared videos by the 4 clubs, host clubs, and the district chairman, Ina Purohit, very precisely described what is the meaning of this. So, I mean, simple looking theme, which has a profound meaning. It's lead the change. And in such a situation, as if our IAW president, she had a premonition, I mean, she had a thought. No, when she thought of this topic, the theme, how it fit into the present scenario. And the IAW theme is so very appropriate to the present situation. And as she said, that it has to be kept as a motto. If you want to bring about any change, then you have to lead from the front. And that is the necessity, because change is very much necessary in life. Life is dynamic and it keeps changing. So if you can change, the first step is you have to care. And Innerville has given us a wonderful platform. And the chairman says, love what you do. And if you love what you do, you can certainly pave the way and lead the change. Have faith and utilize the time optimally. Now, the very, very pertinent slogans by the ISOs, which again, each one of us, each of them was very much motivational, and we must all, because if you write those things and keep it with you in your room or somewhere in your diary, then that is how you inspire yourself. And when you inspire yourself, you can also inspire others. And coming to Prabhaji, past association president, the name itself says grace. You know, Prabha, the radiance and brilliance, we always look forward to hear her words of wisdom. And I was just listening, and I have noted some points that she has actually tried to put into our mind, because it's like fission, you know. We are like the, you can say the catalysts who listen, and then we have to spread, and it spreads the matters, the message spreads across. So she says that, I have picked up some of her lines, unusual times give unusual opportunities. And new opportunities, and this we have shown by utilizing the, I mean, instead of sitting and crying over the challenges that we face today, we have taken it as an opportunity to move further. So, bina mile dosti nibhana, yehi zindagi hai. Prabhaji, thank you so much. So, using this social distancing on the webinar, seeing each other, that is how we maintain friendship. And बस इंसान में चलते रहने की चाहत रहना, that is needed. So very pertinent. And this global health crisis, which has come out of this COVID, and the very sweet sounding name, Corona. Otherwise, we would have just loved it had it not been so very frightening. But so it's a huge crisis, and we need to learn how to live with it. And social distancing as is the order of the day, and that is the only way which will help us prevent infection. And people have stood, because government may be having many plans, unless and until people stand by the government's rules and regulations, nothing can happen. So each one of us, so she's told us about the, along with the whatever environmental changes, but the focus she put on the societal changes that have come into being. Isolation, some people have really helped by keeping themselves isolated, but unfortunately, you know, during such times, some people become so desperate. They try to, like, there were some cases, but I am sure, like some people trying to ostracize or keep away these Corona warriors, and some have not even accepted the migrant laborers, but thanks to the Rotarians and Mr. Raghunandan himself, who has taken the initiative in helping the migrants settle or get adapted. Of course, the tough front has to be faced, and the middle class has taken it, their owners, they have really helped. The economy has certainly got affected, the various strata, higher, middle, but the worst affected, I guess, is middle class. But middle class is the class which has come forth rather. But the wisest thing is to play safe, to be safe. It is the wisest to play safe. And some people have taken it to the extreme, and fear, aggression, and so many things have come into being, and the hardships people face. And we, as the members of the inner wheel, we can certainly, as she says, we need to be those friends who have to put a bold self and tell people, spread this awareness that social distancing is the key, with the help of which, it's the weapon, with the help of which you can certainly check the spread. Certainly spread. So be bold and be that friend. I love this line. Be that friend who leads that change. By being bold, you may seem to be blunt sometimes, but you are the true friend. If you can certainly stop someone from violating these rules, those who are so stand out, and let all be aware, and let us realize that this is the only weapon which can prevent us from heading towards the doom. And again, a wonderful quote by you. I would like to mention once again, reiterate, practice what we preach. Many times we say do's and don'ts, but let us be the lesson that we want to teach.
Never do it.
So let us be the change that we want to see in the world. This is what Mahatma Gandhi had also said, that let us be the change. And if our efforts are well directed, each individual's effort, and then we can certainly bring about the change. And wonderful, very inspirational poems, 2 of them, and lead the change, because we women are the true change makers. And let us bring about a new world by leading the change. And I would just like to add that Veena ji is our international presidents, because I would like to just say some words before. This is, of course, summing up, but I would like to just add, with permission of the chair, that let nothing stop us in becoming a force to reckon within the world. Let us lead the change collectively to bring about positive, significant, and meaningful difference in the world. Yes. Remember, the world is waiting for us. The world is waiting for us, and we are the proud members of such an organization. We can certainly work miracles. So, thank you very much. And I must not forget the wonderful arrangements of this, because this is how we have taken a step further, and we will certainly do our best to lead from the front. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity of summing up. I think I could do some justice to the responsibility given to me. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. It was an excellent deliberation and summing up. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
With due respect to all dignitaries here, we'd love to have an open house for this event. Please, video partner, unmute them who would love to put up their questions. Please, members, raise your hands to put up your questions so that the video partner unmutes you.
Can I say something? I'd like to request the video partner, as Laura said, please make the option open. Those who want to ask something, because we have Pravaji today with us. So those who want to clear some doubts, they can unmute themselves and put their queries.
Well, I'm not a social distancing or pandemic expert. so it will be very nice to have a chat, because when we are not in a one space, it would be nice to chat. Thank you for unmuting. I'd love to meet everybody.
Anyone can unmute themselves and have a talk with Pravaji regarding today's topic. Our district ECs, past district chairman, residents.
Good evening, ma'am. This is Sangeeta Agarwal from Innerville Club of InfoCity Bhubaneswar.
Where I can see her.
Sangeeta, you can raise your hand so that you will be visible.
Sangeeta, you can, yes, raise your hand.
Are you there by name?
Yeah, I'm there by name, ma'am.
Okay. Sangeeta, is that right?
Sangeeta Agarwal. Actually, I cannot put my video on now. I'm stuck somewhere. So
you can't see.
Okay, anyway, continue.
Please, ma'am, please forgive me for not putting my video on.
That's all right. Continue.
Yeah, actually, I want to know that under these norms of social distancing and all these rules and regulations to be followed during this pandemic, we as Innerville members want to bring a proper change in the society, lead the change as our the theme says, but how to do it fruitfully from home without giving any of our members a problem of facing any sort of health hazards, because we cannot go to the sites as before and work on field. So how to do it?
See, I was lucky enough to attend a session. I was co-faculty with Kapila ji, and Kapila ji said this, that today let us do what we can from home. We can plant trees. We can tell others to plant trees. We don't have to run around. There are people who need work. If you want to build a banner, you want to build something, give them work and give them masks and tell them you work. Build the park, build the benches. If you plant trees today in a particular place, at the time of IIW Day, they will be quite big. isn't it? At that time, your inner wheel forest will be ready. You can start making the benches now. Some labor will get some work, isn't it? You don't have to go there and see. You can always just check up whether it is happening. One person can go at one time. This is one thing. Secondly, there are grassroots NGOs which are giving food, which are giving rations, and you know them. If you know them, this is checkbook charity. We don't like doing checkbook charity. But today, our money is also important to those people. So let us share our money. Suppose you all start a kind of a, if there are many clubs in a town, like today 4 clubs have hosted, you can always start a roti bank. You can all take out ek muthi chawal per day and give it somewhere. These are all very small things. Ghar mein baith ke ho raha hai. So why not? Because I know Bilaspur, Raipur, Bhubaneswar, Puri, Cuttack, all of you have many clubs. Jabalpur. तो करिए ना, सब मिलके करिए ना. एक मुट्ठी चावल रोज निकालोगे तो एक बोरा चावल एक दिन में हो जाएगा, है कि नहीं? So let us, you can do some simple things. Then patriotism. Does patriotism, I'm talking on the lines of hope, health, sanitizing, that is most important. If some places have opened, there are sanitizer machines, sanitizer dispensers which have come up. Buying one and installing, all of us don't have to go for a group pic, isn't it? Now we have become experts. We can superimpose group pics wherever we want. These 3 months have taught us to Photoshop like nobody's business. Have you seen me lighting that lamp? Yesterday, Laura writes, ma'am, want photo, light a lamp. And I am back to back in meetings. I mean, honestly, this morning I was in Patna. I was attending our district assembly and I told them I'm going on Aladdin's magic carpet to Cuttack this afternoon because there are no flights. So this is what we are doing. So, and when Laura told me, I was just entering our business session. So I said, fine, I'm just going to sit there, put my video off and Photoshop to the best of my abilities and satisfy her. This is what the pandemic has made us. Extraordinarily creative people, isn't it? All of us have learned to make videos. Now, when we have learned to make videos, then that is public imaging. Let us ask some TV channel, some of these, what do we call them? This Hotstar type, जो local channels होते हैं, उसमें चलाइए. You can put it as little things, all that you are doing, some social measures, social distancing ideas, such beautiful videos you'll have made. You can actually put it on somewhere and show people, isn't it? Why don't you pass it on to all your local groups? We belong to other groups. We belong to family groups. We belong to kitty party groups. We belong to other Mahila Mandalis. Why can't it be put up there? Now these videos that if you put it up on Instagram, if you put it up on Facebook, you will be motivating others to do the same. And then you can say, I led the change, isn't it? You are the first ones to do it. Similar ways, patriotism. For the next month, you do something on patriotism like this. Gana banaiye, share kijiye. Friendship Day is coming up. I have given this idea to many others. I'm giving it to you all. The district ISO, Madhusmita, are you listening, dear? So y'all can, all the ISOs can meet on Zoom, isn't it? And show off your badges as ISOs. There are so many things you can do on this platform. Let us just keep innovating creatively.
Yeah, ma'am, we have actually started the drive on Facebook and Insta, and it is actually very fulfilling.
Absolutely.
But the ideas you have floated are also too good, and we'll try to emulate, ma'am.
Sure. It is always exchange of ideas. It's not one person ever.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Not at all, not at all.
Thank you. I don't think anybody has any questions anymore. So we'll go to the next part of the agenda.
I request District EC if anyone wants to share their views. They can unmute themselves, and our respected past district chairman. So should we go to the next agenda?
Ma'am, I'll continue.
Yes, yes, you can go to the next.
Thank you so much. I request media partner Abhishek to display the mementos as a token of love from all 4 clubs of Cuttack for past association president and district chairman Ina Purohit and past association secretary Krishna Mahanti. Thank you, Abhishek. Now I request Club Secretary Snigdha Purvaji to acknowledge the members who have helped us in today's district webinar Inayat.
Ma'am, please unmute yourself.
थैंक यू प्रेसिडेंट अनुराधा नायक जी, मुझे ये विशेषाधिकार देने के लिए ताकि मैं होस्ट क्लब के सभी स्पेशल मेंबर को धन्यवाद दे सकूं, जिन्होंने बहुत कोशिश की है इस डिस्ट्रिक्ट वेबिनार इनायत को सक्सेसफुल बनाने की। हम धन्यवाद देते हैं हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट चेयरमैन ईना पुरोहित जी, पास्ट एसोसिएशन प्रेसिडेंट मिसेस प्रभा रघुनंदन जी, डिस्ट्रिक्ट वाइस चेयरमैन मिसेस मनीषा श्रीवास्तव जी, एसोसिएशन काउंसिल मेंबर मिसेस जागृति दोषी जी, डिस्ट्रिक्ट सेक्रेटरी मिसेस रशिका बहादुर जी, डिस्ट्रिक्ट ट्रेजरर मिसेस संध्या रानी मिश्रा जी, डिस्ट्रिक्ट ईएसओ मिसेस टी चिरंजीवी जी, डिस्ट्रिक्ट आईएसओ मिसेस मधुस्मिता त्रिपाठी जी, डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडिटर मिसेस अंजना भामरा जी का हम तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करते हैं। हम तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करते हैं सभी पास्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट चेयरमैन और हमारे जोनल कोऑर्डिनेटर का, जिन्होंने अपना बहुमूल्य समय हमें दिया। धन्यवाद मधुलिता दास का, जिन्होंने सारे आईएसओ के वीडियो कलेक्ट किए। सभी धन्यवाद रिंकी अग्रवाल का, जिन्होंने कार्ड और एजेंडा बनाने में हमारी सहायता की। धन्यवाद सभी पास्ट प्रेसिडेंट का एंड होस्ट क्लब के मेंबर्स और साथ ही हमारे मीडिया पार्टनर का, जिन्होंने हमारी बहुत सहायता की इस डिस्ट्रिक्ट वेबिनार को सक्सेस बनाने में। हम बहुत ही खुशनसीब है जो हमारी डिस्ट्रिक्ट चेयरमैन हमारे साथ सम्मिलित रही और हमारी बहुत ही हौसला अफजाई की ताकि हम इस डिस्ट्रिक्ट वेबिनार को सफल बना सके। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Club
ମୋର ଛବିଟା ଏଇଠି ଆସୁଥିଲା କୁଆଡେ ଗଲା ଯେ
Thank you, Club Secretary Snigdha Purvaji, Innerville Club of Cuttack Central, Silver City. Sorry, Silver City. I'm sorry. Now I request President Subarna Parija to give a vote of thanks.
Thank you. Thank you, President Mrs. Anuradha. Good evening and warm Innerville greetings to all of you. It's my privilege to propose vote of thanks on this webinar on lead the change and social distancing. I extend my sincere thanks to our district chairman, Mrs. Ina Purohitji, who gave time from her busy schedule to grace the occasion and also enlighten us by her motivating words. My heartfelt thanks to our Chief Speaker, Mrs. Prabha Raghunandan ji, who has enriched us with her valuable suggestions. I thank our district executive members, district vice chairman, Monisha Srivastav ji, immediate past district chairman, and association council member, Mrs. Jagruti Joshi ji, district secretary, Rasika Bahadur ji, district treasurer, Sandhya Rani Mishra ji, district ESO, T. Chiranjeev ji, district ISO, Madhusmita Tripathi ji, district editor, Mrs. Anjana Brahma ji. I especially thank to past district chairman and past association secretary Krishna Mohanty and all the past district chairmen present here. I also extend thanks to all the journal coordinator of district 3 to 6, all the presidents, secretaries, and the Innerville sisters of our district present here. Last but not the least, I thank all the host club presidents, secretaries, members, our media partner Abhishek, and webinar Inayat's moderator Mr. Anuradha Naik. Once again, thank you very much.
Thank you so much, President Subarna Parija. Now I would like to gladly request District Vice Chairman Monisha Srivastav ji to please remark on the district event webinar Inayat.
Namaskar. Good evening to one and all. Hope all are in good health and taking good care of yourself and your family members. It is wonderful that due to the digital virtual technology, we are connecting each other. With warm regards, I would like to express my gratitude to District Chairman Ina Purohit and past Association President Prabha Raghunandan ji. As a speaker today, given topic was perfect and it was really very impressive and fruitful explanation given. Thank you very much. On behalf of all district executive, past district chairman, we all extend heartfelt thanks to all host club. President, I just want to call the president. Thank you, President, host club president, Innerville Club Cuttack, past President Laura Rattaji. Then Innerville Club of Cuttack Midtown, President Anuradha Nayak. Innerville Club of Central, President Subarna Parija. And Innerville Club of Cuttack, Silver City, President Rashmita Maharana. We also thanks to all other members of host club for hosting district webinar in Inayat. On this year, IIW theme, Lead the Change and Social Distancing. I also thanks to my dear Innerville sisters for their kind presence with us through through year. Their presence like they are in this session. Thank you very much. I just want to add few lines and I just want to add, dedicate to all my beautiful women this few lines. If your eyes are positive, you will love the world. But if your tongue is positive, the world will love you. So friends, a woman loves in action. She looks with her heart and feels with her eyes. A woman is the bank where her family deposit all anger, worries, and hurt. A woman is the cement that keeps her family together and love last life end. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Now I request to stand for the national anthem.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Now the meeting is adjourned.
Thank you. Thank you all. And
thank you very much. Thank you, Ina. Thank you, host club presidents, all the 4 host clubs of Cuttack. Very, very well done. All members of District 326, very well done. I hope you have a wonderful year.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Prabhaji, thank you so very much for accepting our invitation.
Thank you, Prabhaji. I hope we get to meet also face to face sometime during.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you
or
so
even
much.
What a coincidence, Prabhaji. Whatever you told for the projects, that's really a coincidence. Maybe 5th August का कुछ नाता होगा. The same thing we have already been in the goal.
Very
continued those things.
And since it is a virtual platform, I would love to be with you on any special occasion, not even special occasion. Think of me and I will be with you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, everyone. Bye. Have a good day. Stay safe. Bye.
Bye.
You too. Stay safe.
Should we wind up now?
Yes, I'm leaving. Bye.
Bye.
Children, girls.
Abhishek. Can I interact with each other for a few minutes? Can we interact? No.